Love to shop for shoes, but there's no place to store them. You try stacking them, hanging them, protecting them in their boxes, but you're always running out of room to store more. Introducing Shoes Under, the easy solution to organize and protect your shoes. Shoes Under is made of quality breathable materials. The protective clear zipper cover locks out dust and moisture. Plus, the double-stitched reinforced seams guarantee long-lasting durability. Now you just slide and store. It's that easy. Do your kids go on search missions just to find their shoes? With Shoes Under, you can organize their shoes and their socks. Just think of the space and the time you save. Shoes Under provides the perfect solution for storing your shoes in any dorm room. Are your scarves and belts a jumbled mess? The custom divider design of Shoes Under is great for coordinating your shoes, belts, and accessories. Now it's easy to look your best. With two handles, you can easily store your shoes here, under there, almost everywhere, and turn an empty space into a super storage place. Shoes are expensive, so you try to keep them in their boxes. Then you have to go searching for the right pair. Not anymore. Now you can protect, choose, and easily store. Other shoe organizers can cost a fortune, but through this exclusive television offer, you can get the 12-compartment Shoes Under for only $19.99. Call now and we'll cut that price in half. That's right, you'll get the original Shoes Under for only $10. But call right now and we'll double the offer and give you a second Shoes Under that's enough space for 48 shoes as a bonus. Just pay separate shipping and handling. That's one for fall and winter pairs. Use the second for spring and summer. This 2-for-1 offer is not available in stores, so call now and get two Shoes Under organizers for only $10.